What if there are places in the universe where the field landscape completely changes, like stepping out of one tunnel and into another, where the way the field behaves is different on either side of a boundary? This may sound like science fiction, but it's a real possibility in some serious theories, though the evidence is still limited. Imagine a steel plate under pressure. Normally, the energy sea would gradually smooth out the stress, but if it's compressed too quickly or cooled too suddenly, it might crack, creating a fault line. On either side, everything stays calm, but in the gap itself, the pattern breaks and changes direction. The same could happen with fields during the early stages of the universe. The tension fields and other patterns should have smoothed out into a unified whole. But if some regions froze while others were still changing, it could leave behind field faults. One leftover possibility is topological defects. Imagine the energy sea didn't have time to smooth over a crease, leaving long lines of field wrinkles like cosmic strings or vast areas with completely different orientations, separated by a thin domain wall. In our terms, this means a boundary in the energy sea where tension and texture shift, like fields speaking different accents. Walking through this boundary might reveal strange gravitational lensing, unusual polarization patterns, or small, structured differences in constants across vast scales. These are theoretical possibilities for now. A more subtle idea is large-scale filament structures and field wind bands. The universe may remain unified overall, but on very large scales, tension and texture could break into different climate zones. Some areas might favor black hole formation, while others might have slightly tighter background tension, and some could show more consistent magnetic field directions. You could think of this as field climate zones, while extreme fault lines remain speculative with no direct observational evidence. So, are there boundaries in the universe where the fields completely change their language? From the perspective of energy filament theory, it's not impossible. But to call it reality, we need strong observational evidence, something we're far from now. It's more of a reminder when you look at the universe. Consider that the field landscape we know might be just one regional style of the energy sea, and not necessarily the only one. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.